Hey everyone, and thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. Meteorologist Mike Taylor with an outlook on your forecast. As we go into the rest of tonight, we're going to see those numbers go back near the freezing mark, but once again, we have another mild day in store. So let me take you into Futurecast, and we'll pick this up for this evening into the overnight hours. One thing you'll notice, here come the temperatures right back into the low 30s. So we're going to see some patchy fog. I have a feeling that's going to primarily be north of the immediate Detroit metro area, maybe even north of Pontiac. So therefore along I-69, for instance, if you're going to be going north along I-94 or even I-75 near Flint. Just a heads up, you could have some issues with some of that fog. With these temperatures near the freezing mark, some freezing fog could cause some slick spots. But once we get into your Sunday, late morning into the afternoon, it's all about a warm-up. We'll get a southwesterly flow combined with a little bit of sunshine peeking through those clouds, and that'll get our numbers back into the 40s. Enjoy it while it lasts, because another cold front moves in, and the evidence of that cold front, I mean, check out the temperature Monday morning when you're going back to school and work. Those numbers are going to be in the 30s like we expect, but once we get into the afternoon, they're not going to move much. In fact, our highs will struggle just to hit the upper 30s, so we go right back to that December reality. So for tonight, 30 degrees will be the overnight low. Some patchy fog, mainly north of the city, could cause some slick spots, so just a heads up there. But once we get into the day tomorrow, a high of 43. Once the fog lifts, we'll see the sunshine peeking through, and that sunny boost will get us to around 43 degrees. Then we go right back into the 30s for Monday and Tuesday. We warm up again out of ahead of a warm front, and that's going to arrive Wednesday and Thursday, but then rain chances increase, and then another front may move in with a pretty dynamic system once again, changing some of that rain to snow. So just a heads up there. We'll keep tabs on it for you right here at WXYZ.com. Thanks for joining us to get your weather information. We'll have another update for you first thing for your Sunday morning.